All right, so now I'm going to massively reduce of the all of my previous projects. So I want to massively reduce the size of that because you can see that it's very crazy. Like for this, for it is 74.4 gigabytes. So because while I was developing this project, it is actually black mat Wukong. So it is a very famous Chinese fair tie. So like while I was doing this, each step, whenever I implemented some procedure or steps completely, to avoid that I made something change and I forget, and again and then it was totally damaged because before that it was always happened like I'm like it was totally damaged and then I have to do it from the beginning. So to avoid that, every time when I stop in some step, I just copy and and paste to and paste this entire project to and then to make the change in the duplicate copy. Therefore, even though I made something change, I can just go back to my previous saved backup project to avoid to redo it from the beginning. So therefore, or consequently, I made this much different backup. But the problem was that, as you know, each project is around maybe you can see that for each project it is like 4 gigabytes, and then slowly it becomes 70 something GB. So that is too spacious. That takes a lot of space. And then later I realized that don't I actually don't have to do that because there is another way called migrate. Yeah, so now I pronounce correctly. So it's called migrate. We can instead of duplicate the entire project, I can just migrate the label inside that, and so therefore it won't take that much spaces. So now I can demonstrate it from the beginning. Like now my plan is that to migrate all of the stuff and things of this project into this one and then delete off the previous project. That is my plan. So let's do it. Okay, so now for the first one, yeah. And moreover, this tutorial I referenced from Chinese YouTuber. And no, it's actually Chinese. Is a Chinese YouTuber. His name is Mr. He. So I will put the link on the description. So he's very helpful, and it was a very good tutorial. I completely followed that and to make that. Yeah. So now you can see after I play that, you can also jump. You can do yeah, you can do all of the things. So but then I don't want this one. I can use migrate. Okay, so to use migrate, I need to find this lever here. But to avoid to make the same name, I can just change the name. Maybe Mr. He. Finish. For node successfully. Okay. Yeah, I rename it, and then migrate entire thing. So right click, go to asset actions, and click migrate, and now click OK. And then now be careful, we need to go to the we need to go to the project folder which we are intent to migrate. So as I said previously, is this one. So after get inside, we select the content folder. Yeah, select folder. And here, just click yes or. Okay, so it shows it was copied, but someone was not successfully. So now we go to edit from the top left corner and then go to project setting. And then maybe all of the settings. I just click export. So for now I just put it on the desktop, save it, and yeah, okay, now it's here. So I just cut it and paste it in on this one. This was my intended. Okay, not this one. Config first folder and just paste it here. So and then the last one was that to check whether there is the folder called plugin. Maybe that is, I think it's sometimes for the Android or something. If you want to make the project also use for the Android mobile phone, so it requires plugin or some extra functions. But I don't have that one, so I can skip that. And then I go to that folder. This one. Okay, this one is the third. Yeah, third last one. Here. All right. So now, this was the earlier one that I have migrated.
Mightiest flame!
Yeah. So you can move forward, backwards. Just it runs very smoothly, just like whatever I have done before. Okay, great. So the first project was done, and so moreover to I think the last two was kind of offensive, so I just for temporarily I keep it away and just only focus on this folder. So like this one, I have complete everything and I can just delete that. Oh, it shows it was open. Okay, I close all of the thing. What? Yeah, it's kind of weird. Sometimes it haven't. Maybe I just I think I have to close the File Explorer. It is Unreal project right here, and this one, and then remove it. Okay, it was removed, and this one I can check. Oh, it's kind of big. It is really big, but it's okay. I come to this one. This was okay. So this was the second step that I tried to implement an AI, but at that time the time was short, so it was not done successfully. Maybe I try to find the. Oh yeah, there was the AI. I try to play it and see what is happening.
Fast as the wind!
Yeah, it was not moving. I don't want to delete this folder. I still want to reserve that, so I can rename this one to AI not moving out after many attempts. Okay. Great. So now I can again go to set action and migrate it. Okay. And then go to Unreal project and go to that Chinese folder 西游记动画 so and then here again is content, select folder and click yes and all. Great. So and then the next step is to go to edit and go to project setting, all settings, export it to where? Okay, I just export on desktop for now, and then manually I will cut and paste it on. Okay, no, this one. Sorry. Unreal project, 西游记动画, and then this is our target folder, and config, paste it. Done. I think this was done. And I can. Oh yeah, I need to close. This one, and as well I need to close the file explorer. Try again. Great. Done. Okay, next one was what was this one? Open it. Okay, I just have a play and test.
Fast as the wind.
So there was also a problem so in this Chinese name I was writing that it could move, the AI could move just only once, and later it can't move anymore. So yeah, but we are not going to solve this problem this time. Now our job is just to migrate the level to a new folder. So yeah, here. Yes, this one. Stop. Okay, I just rename it. AI moves only once. Later cannot move. Okay, so now again the same state, migrate. Okay, and then go to Unreal project. This one, the last one, 0.3. Oh, so I had put some series number was there, so maybe I can also add the number. So I'm sure this one was 04. I just put it. I just add 04 here. Relan Okay. 04. Okay. Okay. So migrate. Okay, so yeah, content and select folder. Again, the same, yes, or. Alright, and then also go to the project setting. Explore to where? To explore it to this one config and save. Done. Yeah, I think we have done everything for this 04 folder. For test, we can just go back to that one and see what is happening there. Alright, so now we have so many. This one, that was 04. This is probably 03. I just add it. 03. And this must be 01. Oh, not 02. This is 02. So go to 04 and have a test. Yeah, so now it's the same as the previous one. Same. I just double check. Okay.
Fast as the wind.
Oh, what happened? What is happening here? Okay, again, play.
Mighty as flame.
Yeah, they are the same. They are the same. So now this 04 was done. I can just delete that. Great. Next, 05. Same process. Same process. Content maps. Great. So we
Mighty as flame.
okay. So I tested. You can see that I have made some progress. Like this AI can move, but it was not working. it's just like a box sniding. Yeah, it was anyhow a progress on my previous done, and so I can rename it 05 AI God can move, but sniding, right? Done. Migrate, and so again go to this one content, select folder, yes or. Great. again go to project setting. But before that, maybe I try plugin. There was no plugin folder. Yeah, it's fine. This one, which one is this one? Okay, save. Done. Okay, for double check, I go to this 05. Yeah.
Fast as the wind.
I see. It was the same as the previous one. It was 90. Okay, great. So this one can also be removed. Done. And then next is the sixth one. The sixth one. Okay. So it shows I have followed an English YouTube tutorial. It was part 2. Okay. So maybe I have to kind of adjust the name.
Fast as the wind.
Oh. Okay. So maps, rename it 06. Instead of working. So English tutorial. Okay, anyway, I just copy the name. And also migrate. Okay. This one. Content. Select folder. Yes. Oh. Great. Again, go to setting. Export to here. Save. Done. Again for double check. Coming this one.
Mighty as flame.
Yeah, the same AI, our old friend. Okay, so the sixth one is done. The sixth one is done. We can delete it. Alright, so next is 7.1. So I again had followed an English tutorial, the third part. So I made some progress, and
Oh, that!
yeah. Yeah, I want to see maybe did I put anything inside. There was nothing inside. Okay, fine. So now I can migrate this one. Okay, which one? Offset. Yeah, migrate and click OK, and then yeah, go to this one, content, select folder, yes or great, and also same step, go to that file, project setting, explore to where, explore to this one, configure it, and click save. Yeah. Sorry, I made a mistake, just a small mistake. Like before that, I used to taught you to like for that configuration file in project setting, I ask it I to copy and paste in one directory is here. Just wait. Yeah. So I request you to paste everything on this configure folder, but actually it was not correct. We need to go to another folder instead. So where was that? Here we go to again we go to project setting and all setting, explore. So now there is one default directory. We should go to that this directory only in our intended file, intended project. So then that means I just copy and I just cut it and paste it to saved. Yeah, here is saved, config, Windows. Yeah, it should be here instead of the previous one. So yeah, but it's just a small adjustment. Now it's fine. And yeah, even for this one, I can go to the new project here, and it was, yeah, saved, and config Windows. Yes, here. So save. And then again, and this one, come here, and yeah, not this one, saved, config Windows, save, done. So like usually some another tutorial, another YouTuber said to, like, whatever you had made change, you can click and to explore the one, but the file itself, it was not it is not too much big, so I would rather to just to export everything from all the settings. So it, because you can see even though I do that, it's just not like 1 KB. It is very small. Yeah, it was so I go to our target folder. Yeah, it's here Windows. So it's very small, it's just 1 KB. There's not too much difference. So for convenient, just go to all setting and explore it here. Alright, so now we go to which one? Okay, I'm kind of forget which one. Yeah. No, I remember it's just this 7.1. Yeah, 7.1. So since I haven't 6. Okay, so now I rename it. what is the Chinese name right here? Okay, so it's 对应的第三人称角色。So it's called third person character, the corresponding third person character, and the English tutorial UE4 part 3. Okay, so I just rename it as this one. Rename 07.1. What? File name 1.7 is not enough. What? Seven 0.1. Okay, it shows point was not annulled, so maybe I use hyphen. 7.1 the corresponding third person character and third person character, and then what was that? So it was in English tutorial UE4 part 3. Great. So now again migrate. Click OK, and then go to which one? Yes, this one. Content. Select folder. Yes, select folder. Yes, or come on. And yeah, maybe I have done it. Not sure whether I have done it or not, but just for insurance, I export it again. Here, saved, config, Windows, save. Okay, done. Okay, this one I can delete it. Great. Now the next one. Oh, yeah. Before delete that, maybe I have a check whether you can.
Fast as the wind.
Yeah. So everything is okay. You can see this person. It's moving. It's moving very improperly. And so what is this one?
Oh, that!
Third person. Okay, yeah. So now the next one is 7.2 is written here. It can randomly move, but won't follow the hero. Okay, let's see what is that exactly. Great. Play.
Fast as the wind.
Okay, I rename it. 7Q AI moves, but do not follow the hero. Great. Great. Now again, right click, asset action, migrate. Okay. And then now where to migrate? Also our old friend. This one, content, select folder, yes or. Great. And also same thing here. So all setting. It should be all setting. Export. Yeah. Not here. To this one. Saved. Config. Windows. Save. Oh, and also maybe so now we can see there is no further code plugin. If there, as I mentioned before, if there is plugin, we need to copy and paste the plugin in the new folder, so in the new migrated folder. But there is no, so we leave it. And I think this is done. Close it and delete it. Great. So now this one. I think this one is also anyhow similar, right? So I put the Chinese name. The meaning is it can move properly randomly, but won't follow the character. Won't follow the hero. Okay, great. So play.
Oh, that!
Yeah. So like there is also another progress. Before there was the skin of the AI was very mechanism like robots, but now even though it is still not perfect, but at least it become a monkey. It's a it's an improvement. Okay, I close this one and go to maps. This one, rename it to 7 AI monkey moves properly but do not follow the hero. Great. Okay, it takes time. Now again, assess action, migrate, click OK, and this one, content, select folder, yes or. Great. And don't forget project setting or setting, explore, and also this one, saved, config, Windows. Yeah, almost everything is 1K. Okay, save. Great. And double check, see no plugin, skip it. Now we can delete. Done. Okay, next was that. Okay, so the Chinese I wrote is to fight again for the first YouTube tutorial. Yeah, I because this project I have done it like 4 months back. Yeah, not 4 months, approximately 5 months ago. So I kind of forget. I realized that I tried a lot. I maybe repeated one tutorial for several times, but I still didn't give up and insist to, yeah, not to fight against repeated failures. So let's see what happens.
The wind.
Yeah. So mention has about this one. Hey, what is this one? Okay. Oh, beautiful. But we don't need this one. We need maps. We need this one instead. I think this was the one. Just leave it. This was the one that. Oh, no, not this one. Probably this one. Content. Oh, where's the AI? Okay, close it and open it again. Is the one. Oh, there's no character. This one? Yeah, because I think the previous one was just only for the environment thing, and but I have put everything in the folder under map. Yeah, only we go to this folder, then only we can see the heroes, right? And then what's the name? Okay, it's 8.0. 8 missed her completed missed her tutorial and fight again for the English tutor. Great. Great. So again, migrate to where? This one, content, select folder, yes or great. And then project setting or setting, export, this one, config, oh not config, saved, this one, save. And we double check whether there's plugin, no plugin, great. Yeah, this was the one.
Mighty as flame.
It was with AI. Maybe I want to double check the earlier one. AI notes. Okay, this one.
Fast as the wind.
Yeah. There was the monkey. Okay, great. So go to the directory. This one, delete it. Okay. Yeah. Maps. This is 8.1, but we can write A-1 here since not able to type dot. So A-1 AI can move. It's actually monkey AI. But cannot follow the hero. Right. And now migrate. Okay. This one config. Okay. This actually content. Select folder. Yes or. Okay, successfully. And then project setting. All settings. Export. Here, saved. Config Windows. Save. And last, we check whether there's plugin. Okay, no plugin. Great. Yeah, and then we see this A-1. Yeah, everything is the same as the earlier one. That's great. Again, come to, okay, no, sorry, not this one. This one. Okay, now it's 8 point, no, yeah, sorry, I was kind of forget. So this one we can delete. Now the second last. What? Why restore package? Okay, no problem. Cannot be successfully check control. Maybe something was wrong.
Fast as the wind.
Yeah, actually it's normal that there's error because I also had the same error before, but we are not going to solve it on this video. Here just we keep whatever as it is and migrate to the new projects and for the future reference. So here this one I need to rename it. What's the name is enemy stand. Yeah, an enemy stands and play, but cannot move. It's 8.2. Okay, I haven't to enemy stands and play, but cannot attack. Great. And so right click, set action, migrate. Content. Yeah, content. Select folder. Yes, all. Come on. We go to project setting or setting. Export to this one. Saved. Config Windows. Save. Okay, now close. Now close this project. We go to this one. It's 8-2. Play. Yeah, nice. Crazy. Oh. I want to check whether there is a monkey. Yeah, so there is a monkey. But it doesn't respond to me. That was the problem I faced before. It's okay. Now I think the last thing was to check whether plugin, no plugin. Yeah, so now I can delete it. Great. Now the last one. It shows enemy stand and move. The enemy stands and move. Oh yeah, this is fantastic.
Fast as the wind.
Oh yeah, but that one was for me to recording the video, so it's dying. It's fine. It's fine. You I made it okay. I was just trying to make a movie there. It's great. So again, go to the same process. Rename it A-5 and enemy stands. Okay. Large size. Enemy stand. And falling. but cannot react. Great. Content, select folder, yes all. Okay, then again project setting, export, this one saved, config, Windows, save, and then check whether there is plugin, no plugin. Great. So now we can, yeah, I can close, delete. Wonderful. And this one, see, is just 18.6 GB, but before it was 17 GB something. Is kind of 3 times reduced the size. Is So we are finally done. Thanks so much for watching my video, and yeah, just wish you have a good day.